Today, we are going to change the cabin air filter for 2019 Honda HR-V. You don't need any tools to replace the filter for this car. The location of the filter is behind the glove box. First, remove the stop arm by pulling it outwards. Then squeeze the glove box to release it. You should see the cabin housing now. Flip the tabs on the side of the housing cover to release it. Take the old filter out and clean the debris inside the cabin. Then, install the new filter. The airflow direction in the cabin is from the top to the bottom, so make sure the airflow direction arrow is pointing down. Next, close the housing cover, secure the glove box and the stop arm. That's it. Super easy. Visit www.freshenup.ca to shop the cabin air filter for your vehicle today.